The Ducati Monster 937 is the modern evolution of an icon, carrying the raw naked bike DNA that made the Monster legendary. Stripped down to its essentials, it's aggressive, muscular, and elegant all at once. Its 937cc Testastretta engine sits exposed like a beating heart, framed by a compact body that blends minimalism with Italian design flair. Every line is purposeful, and every curve speaks to performance, making it a bike that looks as fast as it feels. Twist the throttle, and the Monster 937 answers with precision and fury. The Testastretta L-Twin delivers a thrilling mix of torque and smooth power, perfect for city streets and open highways alike. Ducati's engineering ensures that every gear shift feels sharp, and every acceleration surge connects the rider to the machine in a visceral way. Lightweight construction and nimble handling make the Monster 937 feel agile, giving riders confidence in tight corners and quick maneuvers. But the Monster is not just about speed. It's about control. Equipped with advanced electronics, including Ducati, traction control, ABS cornering, and customizable riding modes, it balances performance with safety. The TFT display brings modern digital clarity, while the ride-by-wire throttle system ensures seamless responsiveness. Even in challenging conditions, the Monster adapts, showing its dual nature, wild when pushed, yet refined when required. On the road, the Ducati Monster 937 becomes more than a motorcycle. It feels like an extension of the rider. Its exposed frame, muscular stance, and sharp LED lighting make it impossible to ignore, turning heads wherever it goes. It's a bike that celebrates simplicity without compromise, offering a pure, raw connection to riding. The Monster is a timeless Ducati, creation reborn, reimagined, and ready to dominate the streets with style and attitude.